campers. Today is December 18th, 2018. We are in Salt Lake City, Utah. Just moving from the prime yard over to a customer in town. We're picking up there tonight. We're running a quick load up to, alright, cool, you get behind me then. Running a quick load up to, if you elected to get behind me, yeah, cool. Up to Missoula. We've got to pick up our permits and everything for next year. We're going 15 south. I need to be in the middle lane. Yeah, no, we're running up to Missoula. We got to pick up some permits. I've got an ABS glitch that I need looked at as well. Your speed, 54. Curve speed, 45. Will do. Done. Done. Hopefully we're also going to get Mr. Apophis here turned up to 65 at the same time. That'd be nice. And we can start taking better advantage of all the 62 mile an hour trucks out here and using them as wind brakes to save some fuel and still get places at a decent clip. All speed, Mr. Apophis. We're no longer governed by the 55 mile an hour limit. Yeah, we're picking up a load of bacon and bringing it to Missoula, so we are literally bringing home a bunch of bacon. I did not think about that a minute before, but yeah, always amusing, always amusing. Exit 303 is what we need. Let's just stay right here. I was looking to move right, but apparently we don't need to. Now we're going to be like 8 hours early for this pickup. So worst case scenario, they say no, and we go park on a curbside somewhere, order some good lunch via Uber Eats, and chill for 8 hours, and then pick up the load at 6 p.m. We'll have to do some napping in there as well, because I do want to be driving as much as possible tonight. We need to be in Missoula by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Well, by noon tomorrow morning. Ideally 8 o'clock. So if they don't just load us now, we're going to try and sleep. That way we can drive all night if they load us at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. being our appointment time. Oh, this is going to be fun. Alright, so I need to move left one. Because we want to stay on 15. And then as soon as all the traffic from 201 and westbound I-80 join up, I need to move right. Because our exit's 303 right after all the merging traffic from I-80. This will be fun. I'm remembering, I think my normal route for this customer was to take 201, because then you come in from the right here, and you don't have to cut across like 4 lanes of traffic. I think I've established that before, and I just forgot. Oh no. Curse my memory. As I was going past 215, my brain was like, you should be taking 215 south to 201. You should be taking 215 south. And I didn't listen to it. Because it's been like a year since I picked up at this place. And I did not listen. I should have listened. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. almost just learned the hard way what blinky lights mean. So what happened there was there was a lane 2 lanes over that was ending, and that a car had floored it to come up that lane. That lane was in my blind spot on the right side. So he merged into that lane from the right as I was trying to merge into it from the left. And we had to abort that lane change to keep from smashing him into the wall. Luckily, I was watching my mirrors. I love dumb four-wheelers. That's why you don't run a lane out like that. Oh, that's why. Can I go now? Yeah, let's go. Here. Green light, green light, green light. Give me an actual green to turn, please. I don't want to have to do the yield thing. Because it's really annoying here. Because there's a hill. Pretty please, pretty please. Yay! Forward, please. Thank you. So that was a nice close call for us today. Gotta love that sort of thing. So you gotta pay attention and not run your lane out in situations like that. Like if it's busy, if traffic's backed up, sure, run the lane out, take turns at the merge. But when things are flowing at 60, don't run the lane out. Don't be doing that. That's not right. See if they'll just load us early. Sorry, I was pulling up to your fancy new sign.
No, I moved inside the fence line so I can check you in.
Gotcha.
Are you delivery or pickup?
Pickup.
Okay. Which one are you picking up for?
It's going to Missoula,